Hey gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software. This is inkflow, the new software. This software have a lot of tools. You can sync visuals with AI. He have auto add AI generated image, stock image, enhance your content effortlessly. And you can also read and save custom AI prompts, personalize AI generated content to match your brand. And if you will generate generate a halal image, like just the face of human, not all human, just the face about a human. For more information, click in link in first comment and enjoy in your day.